Crossfield here. Welcome back to the channel, and first of all, happy new year. Happy new year, guys. This year 2022, wow guys, we made it. And you know, a lot of people never make it this year, you know, guys, so I have to give thanks. Right now I'm driving, as you can kind of tell. I'm driving, and that's because I'm going to pick up Alicia, because she's coming over. She's visiting for New Year's. I'm going into town to pick her up, so Alicia is about to get a feature in this video, and I decided, you know what, let me just do a drive with you, because you know, I made videos and put them out on the internet about me getting my driver's license. Literally the whole process. I vlogged it and documented it and put it out there for you guys to see. So I figured, I think a drive with me would be appropriate for you guys to see next from that type of content, you know. Right now I got the driver's license, and now I'm doing a drive with me. I've been driving for months though, you know, guys. I got the license in March, and now it's January. So I've been driving for a good minute, not years obviously, but I think it's a decent enough amount of time for me to know what I'm doing on the road. I'm approaching a roundabout right now, so I'm giving way. I hope that so far into the new year it's been good for you guys. What are some of your New Year's resolutions? If you still deal with them, so like you guys still make resolutions and such, what are some of your resolutions? Or better yet, what are some of your goals for the new year? Who is this calling? It's probably Alicia. Oh, it's mommy. Hello? So yeah, guys, I'm almost there now, but honestly I don't think Alicia reached halfway through yet. I don't not halfway through. I don't think Alicia reached where I'm supposed to meet her yet, you know. But I don't mind being early, because then I feel like I'm not in a rush. I mean, I don't know if you know the saying, but haste bring waste. Haste bring waste, and I've seen that happening. Like, that has happened to me so much times. Every time I rush, I end up left something, forget something or something. So that's why I'm not doing the rush thing. I don't know how many of you guys can relate to that. Boy, guys, new year mean new term / new semester at school. Jesus will. Yes, I'm gonna take the last semester for granted, because looking at the timetable now that I have it's more packed than last year. I must still make it work though. I don't think it won't be a threat to any content or anything like that, guys. In fact, I've been pre-filming content because I know for a fact time is gonna be constrained. So I make sure I film the video then for you guys. I want to at least film them and then put them down and edit them at a later time, or edit all of them at one time, and like start them up at the beginning of the month, so that throughout the month you guys will still have content, and throughout the month I'll just be shooting more content, but it's just like less pressure. This year I'm really going to try to put out a video every week, one video every week. Oh, I should also announce this, the new upload day is gonna be Wednesday, or at least right now, as I'm thinking right now, the new upload day is gonna be on Wednesdays at 5:30 p.m. It could be earlier, but on Wednesdays you can look forward to seeing a new video from me, guys. As I'm pretty sure that Wednesday is the day I'm gonna be uploading. Wednesday. Are you guys excited for this year? I think it's gonna be a good year. Honestly, just need this COVID pandemic for go away. So we need that for go away. We need better management of the government. What else we need? We need school tuition to stop being so expensive. What else we need? What's the next thing we need this year? Oh, we also need COVID to go away. Yeah, again. Woo. One thing that I've learned driving on Jamaican roads is that when you drive, you have to drive for yourself and the people them on the road. Not everybody on the road know how to drive. One of my goals for this year is to hit 10,000 subscribers, guys. But in order to hit that number, I'm gonna need y'all guys' help. I'm gonna need your help, guys. I'm gonna need your help with sharing the videos and liking and commenting, so it's like boost it up in the YouTube algorithm, so that then YouTube will recommend it to more people more often, and it'll all work out for everybody, and everybody who subscribes will get a cookie or a piece of cake, you know. We'll have an ice cream party, guys. We'll have an ice cream party if I hit 10,000 subscribers. Say bet. Say bet. Guys, I'm kind of reaching a Spanish show now. It's the town is crowded. It's New Year's Eve. This town is always crowded. What I just want to do is make sure I'm not scrape nobody vehicle or let nobody. Two most important things. Concentration that took me a while ago. Finally reached the plaza. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just look at parking space right now. There should be parking. It's pretty early right now. Jamaican people wake up so early. So good for you. You look happy and healthy. Not me. My life is spend the night crying on the floor of my bathroom. So unaffected, really don't get it. Good for you. Guys, how's my singing? Me, I go put your body lockdown. I put your body on lockdown. You got me on lock now. You got my passion on lock. Wow. If you love me, you should let me. You should let me. You should let me go. And if you don't know, better you let me. Better you let me. I better you let me go. If you love me, I'm having the time of my life. Wait, who's this? Oh, it's Alicia, guys. Hello?
Yeah, I'm in Spanish Town now.
Alright, guys, Alicia almost reached. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna walk from here because I just parked here for the parking. So I'm like gonna walk, go over to yonder and go meet her. Alright, Alicia reached at the bank. So I'm gonna meet her over there now, guys. I'm there, I walk. Place pack up, man. I think after Christmas the place kinda less crowded, but I don't know. Oh, that's still kinda packed. Guys, look what I found.
Don't vlog, we might get robbed.
We're not gonna get. Guys, we picked up Alicia. We stopped at Tasties. You guys can't see it, but when we reach inside, I'll let you guys see.
A few minutes later.
Currently waiting for Alicia. Hello.
Don't shoot me.
Making some joke about Spanish Town. I don't know. It's not funny. It's not funny.
Sure.
Is that your number? You that. Excellent. Hey y'all. The thingy. The energy drink. I'm looking for the one without the sugar. Guess I'll have to go with this one. Oh, cool. This place does sell Red Stripe. Red Bull. I mean Red Bull. Hey guys, we're back in the car now. Look, it's Alicia. Look in here, not down here. Yeah, because it's gonna look weird. Yeah.
No, I feel.
No, it happens. It happens. So guys, just basically like a drive go home now. I guess I'll set it up in the middle so that then you can see Alicia a little bit better because this
Am I your first passenger ever?
In the drive with me?
What?
Or in general?
Or ever?
I think so.
Oh.
Wow, why are you so good? Now the camera's gonna be on you while you're eating.
Stop it, nobody.
Take a bite.
See that.
So now we're just gonna go home. Alicia stopped to get tasties. We stopped in the supermarket to buy some candy. And this energy drink that I've been trying. And now we're just gonna go home and relax and stuff.
Y'all, a beef patty is for $220.
How much?
I cannot live in Jamaica. A beef patty is for $220.
Man, cheese patty I push got to $300. In a year's time it gotta be 500. Anyway, let's get out of here. Which other song is there?
I'm opening a drink.
Which Alicia drink something so early. You see that other thing with Alicia, you know? I asked Alicia if she want one. I asked Alicia if she want one and Alicia said no. No, Alicia put in my own. So she put it way before me intend to drink it. And she drink it now. Guys, what that makes sense? I asked her if she want one. I made a little buy another one for her. And now she drink my something after she said no.
It wouldn't be the same.
No! Guys, Spanish Town is such a congested place. I just really want to come out of the town here and go up on the bypass and take my ass home. So guys, right now, me and Alicia gotta go. Alicia, say bye to the video.
Bye.
And guys, you'll see Alicia in more videos this month.
No,
yeah,
you won't.
continue looking out for the content. And yeah, thank you for watching. Looking forward to having a great 2022 with you guys. So yeah, Shamar Crossfield. Say do it. Bye. The new upload day is gonna be on Wednesdays. So Wednesdays at 5:30 p.m.